All right, quick break from the Thanksgiving chaos. Now, I know half of you are currently probably burning something, hiding from family, or I don't know, Googling, can turkey actually be medium rare? So I figured perfect time to show you how our cloud employees actually work across every channel: chat, email, phone, SMS, Slack, LinkedIn. If your uncle can reach you on it, then Hank can work with you on it. Meet Hank Givings, our Thanksgiving cloud employee. Now, this guy handles everything from burnt turkey, bad timings, family drama, emotional damage, all of it. Now, here we are on ThanksgivingHelpDesk.com, the place to interact with Hank. And as you can see, we can interact with Hank on a variety of channels. Let's start with the phone and actually give Hank a call.
Hi, I am Hank Giving. What's your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Gobble, gobble.
Hank, it's great to meet you. How are you?
I'm stuffed with excitement. It's Thanksgiving after all. Gobble, gobble. How can I make your day easier?
I have a question. What's the most creative way to cook a turkey, Hank?
Oh, I love this one. Gobble, gobble. How about spatchcocking the turkey? You remove the backbone, flatten it, and roast it for faster cooking and crispy skin. Or go wild with deep frying, safely of course, for a juicy golden bird. Want step-by-step instructions for either?
Oh, hell no. I've never even heard of spatch cooking.
Haha, no worries. It's called spatchcocking, and it's just a fancy way of saying butterfly the bird. Gobble, gobble. It cooks evenly and faster. But if that's not your style, we can stick to classic roasting or something else fun. What's your turkey vibe?
One other question for you, Hank. Why does turkey make you so tired?
Ah, the turkey tired myth. Gobble, gobble. It's not just the turkey's tryptophan, it's the carb-loaded sides, desserts, and sheer amount of food. Plus, all that post-meal relaxation doesn't hurt. Blame the feast, not just the bird.
I love it. Hank, that's all I've got for you today. Have a great Thanksgiving.
You too. May your turkey be juicy, your sides plentiful, and your pie unforgettable. Gobble, gobble. Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, good. Thank you, Hank. Boom, handled. Next, let's do the chat. I'm going to throw him something ridiculous, but watch. He won't flinch. He never does. He's an absolute rock star. Here you go. How do I separate my crazy uncle from my other crazy uncle? Ah, brilliant answer, Hank. I expect nothing less. Maybe let's hit him with one more. What turkeys were pardoned this year? Who else could I trust that kind of information with? Fantastic, Hank. Next, let's try him on email. Let's see if we can hit him with a tough one. Why did the turkey cross the road? Add the address, hit send, wait, and there it is. Faster than half the people you work with. That's Hank's giving. Now, it's just the experience you get. One cloud employee, every channel, zero panic. I'd show you Slack and SMS too, but honestly, my family already thinks I'm avoiding them, and they're not wrong. So if your Thanksgiving is literally on fire, literally or emotionally, Hank's your cloud employee, helping deliver slightly less disastrous holidays since, well, today when I created him.